degenerates going coyote hunting all weeknight. And Matt canceled work tomorrow for this, and I don't have to work. It's kind of snowy outside, so we all work outside. So it's ideal time to go kill some coyotes.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I was just saying, honestly, we've been trapped in the house for like the last, feels like a week. We didn't go hunting last weekend because we lived in Antarctica for a while here in Missouri. So we kind of stayed home last weekend during the derbies, and it's kind of cleared off a little bit. So
I got out and sprayed some foam today, did some work today, so I'll be worn out by the time midnight comes. So it's good that it only goes till midnight.
I'm gonna stuck my hand up an entire cow's ass. That was fun.
Was she pregnant? Or were you trying to make her pregnant?
Yeah.
Oh,
The latter.
the reason it's daylight is because it's 5:57 right now. The derby starts at 6. Since it's a weeknighter, it goes from 6 to midnight. So that's why we have the camera on super night mode, so it looks a little bit lighter than it is.
but it's also
But it is a little
light
bit light.
ground, so it's gonna feel daylight all night long.
Yeah, none of us own snow camo, so just got to tuck into the trees a little bit.
I don't understand.
One more thing before we get started. We appreciate all the views and all the likes, all the comments, all the nice comments anyways. all the subscribers, except for we don't have a bunch of subscribers. So if you like to watch us, subscribe. We appreciate it.
Just think of us as
Yeah, and if you don't want the notifications, I'm pretty sure you can turn those off if you don't want your phone to notify you when we post.
No, always leave the bell on.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, ideally, but if someone's picky about it. But there's 16 teams in it tonight. I forget how many guys exactly. 39?
Yeah.
16 with 39 guys. It's just a kill race, no wait. We're gonna try to turn and burn and get it done. And then this weekend, we'll probably have some more action. But for now, we're worried about right now.
And we'll see if Cody will share some of the kill shots tonight.
Cody, I'm gonna push him down when the coyotes are coming in. That way he can't. And then I'm gonna shove his gun down, and he's got to pick it up and get oriented again. And hopefully we have him dead before Cody gets to shoot.
Hopefully that guy stays tied in this time.
Yeah. Anyways, to the first spot.
Oh, they smelled us. You just kicked it in high gear. Oh, there's 3. That one is saying, see you later.
On the back one. Let me know when you guys are ready.
I'm on the front one. He's on the back
I'm on the back one.
one. Okay, just whenever you're ready.
I'm ready. 1, 2.
What the hell is happening?
I have no idea.
It's hot. We're ready.
I hit him. I hit him once. Got him. Good shot, Moat. No, we weren't ready.
What the hell? Yeah. Did we not kill the close one?
That was the close one. The one we just killed up there. Yeah.
Oh, really? Where was this one at whenever they shot? Oh, dang. His eyes are open. He kind of looks like crap, don't he?
Well, that was a little rough for me anyway. Kind of some miscommunication there, but this dog's dead.
Is he very big, Cody?
That won't
Is
matter.
he very big? I was just curious. He looks kind of big.
Oh yeah.
Took my headset off so it ain't echoing in the mic, but
Oh, we don't have to weigh him? That's crazy.
no, there's no side pots.
That feels weird.
Moral of the story, 3 dogs come in. The first one boogered. These 2 kind of were out their ways, and we were talking in the headsets, and I asked if everyone was ready, and they said whenever. I thought their dog was stopped. The back one was, and I felt like I had a good hold, but I missed. But either way, when they said they were ready whenever, I started counting down because I didn't know if these were going to bolt. And
we indeed
when they
were
said
not ready.
They said whenever, they meant they're ready to stop them. I didn't know the front one was still moving. So I shot, and I apparently missed. Sucks, but it happens. But they killed this old boy, girl.
It's a boy.
Oh, the boy.
Ain't
Killed this old male on the run. But either way, we're going to
Smash
tag it up and get on with it.
You
And-
people are going to learn who the good shot is around here.
Yeah. Yep, I'm it. I mean, it is what it is. Can't sugarcoat that. It's in black and white, literally. So, gonna get some tagged, and we're gonna hop in the truck. We'll see you in a minute. Tell them how it went.
How what?
How the story. The camera's on now, so I guess I'll just expose myself to everybody. So me and Matt were at this new spot. We're in the brush on the edge of this big, nice field, and I walked the call out there, and then I got back, and then Matt's like, "Did you turn it on?" I thought he turned it on, so I walk all the way back out there, turn the call on, come all the way back, and I'm like, "Man, I gotta pee." So I hop in the brush a little ways away from the tripods, and so I start to pee, and I hear it just sounds weird hitting the ground. I'm like, "Wait a minute, that don't sound right." I'm like, "Oh, my bag is somewhere back here." And so I turned my light on and looked down. I'm like, "Dude, I just peed all over my bag." And I'm like, "Oh." And so the rest of the night I had to carry it by the top handle because I didn't get it on that. I'm like, "This is gross." Moral of the story is, remember where you put your bag when you're hunting. Because we were in the dark. I wasn't thinking about it.
I think you didn't eat asparagus.
Yeah. Good thing I had my snacks in there. Still sucked. Either way, if I miss again,
He's off the team.
I'm probably gonna punch myself in my own face. I don't know what happened. I'm not gonna make excuses.
He punches himself in the face.
Hey, don't make me bring up footage. I didn't even put the
I'll
footage
make
up
sure
on the
to get it
last
on
video of you
camera.
missing.
I missed one.
Hey, that was my one.
Yeah, we're giving Anthony crap, but Cody was supposed to shoot that dog too.
Well, he said his barrel was close to me, so he didn't want to do it. I mean, I don't blame him. I don't really want pierced ears.
I'd have just shot anyways.
We are on to the next spot. Colin is level 100 shooting. I don't know what to rate that right now. It's not a 0.
You can't be getting a dog at 0.
I mean, if I was close,
He's looking really cool while doing it though.
it did look sick in the scope. Made sure it's focused and everything. Just didn't range him because I didn't think we had time. Either way, still should have hit the stupid thing. But just adding to the highlight reel, baby. On to the next spot. Yeah. See if I can turn on something to suit their fancy. Shut your mouth.
What'd you say about a lesbian?
I don't know where that one is on the left, so he may be making his way. Well, spot 2 didn't pan out, and then 3, as you just seen some dogs off in the distance. Thought we seen one at first, and then the other one, when that one started moving left, the other one kind of, you can see it too. I don't know how much I got on record or how much he did. Yeah, not a lot of footage, but thought they were gonna come in, and so they did either way. But we're heading to the next spot. Hopefully, they're moving right now, so hopefully they will start committing a little bit more, and and action will pick up. So we're gonna get on to the next spot.
Okay. I don't see the right one.
I do.
That's up to you guys. I don't have a shot. If they stop, let's kill them. Hit! 3, 2.
I was not.
All dead. All dead. Well, good shooting, Cody. Me and Cody. I didn't know. I seen you shoot.
As soon as I shot,
Our dog was already.
sunk in the
Our dog
snow
was
like
already
a foot.
folded, Anthony. I seen you shoot and just blow the snow up behind him. He was already dead, laid over, and Anthony shoots.
As soon as I shot, my friend sunk a foot in the snow. Alrighty, got the fellers here. Got the fans in the back there. All the calves in the barn back here giving us a little cover scent. Got the old dog 2 on the night, dog 3 over there. Pair come in, pair went down. Pretty solid. We're gonna tag them up and
We're getting better.
we're gonna be able to hit some spots pretty quick here, and hopefully we can get on with it. So we'll tune in the truck.
Straight behind a tree.
Shoot him.
What the heck? He's going left. Let's get like over there. That's just terrible time. Didn't get a chance to record fast enough. I thought I was recording, but hit the button twice.
What you got it on video still?
I got it on video because there was another dog that came in behind him. You could see this dog laying dead in that video where I'm trying to get on the other dog, and then the other dog was far enough away, and I was out of breath just enough where I couldn't get settled on him to shoot. So, and then that dog eventually worked around to these guys. What we're on is some hill country. And so I was looking down one ridge and they were looking down another. So he eventually worked through the woods into their ridge, and
and what
the rest
happened,
is
Matt?
history. There's still only one dog.
Get Matt on camera.
So you kind of know how that went.
Matt's watching replays here. Matt's being quiet right now, but Matt missed. Me and Cody tried to follow him up, then we missed. That don't count though, in me and Cody's book. But here's the dog. That's dog 4. We got to keep going because we're smashing right now.
We're in the lead as of right now, though.
Yeah, we're in the lead as of right now, but any minute that could change, so we're gonna hammer down. So
That red light right there scared me. Clear?
please open up.
Golly, that window gets me every time.
Well,
You just go up and down real fast.
we looked back at the footage, and after conclusion, Matt's scope nuked. I still blame him for missing, just because I think that it's fair. I mean, I get blamed a lot. Time to pass off the torch.
Let's go.
Either way,
Until after I-
we are now tied with another team with 4 because we've messed up a few opportunities, 2 to be exact. But the night is not young, but we got 2 hours left. It's almost 10 o'clock now, and hopefully they will move a little bit quicker this time. That last stand took a good while. I mean, we was out there 20-30 minutes.
We wouldn't have been out there that long if we wouldn't have heard. It was kind of
Yeah, we we did hear coyotes straight ahead, a ways off, and then some fired off in the woods, or one. I'm guessing it was that one. So we kind of gave them plenty of time to come in. That one did come in, just didn't work out that time. Still blame Matt, just because, like I said, I'm trying to get the heat off myself. But it is what it is. Still having fun, but we got to get to killing. We got a little over 2 hours. It's going to come down to the wire, it looks like. So back to killing.
Somebody count. Where are you? Yeah, I'm gonna shoot him. Is anybody else on him? Okay, 3, 2. He was going, see you later. Huh? I should have, but as soon as he turned, I went ahead and shot him because I knew he was leaving. Yeah. Somebody stop that turkey. He's gonna see the truck here soon. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. Oh, what the heck? I hit him both times. He said, "Chow." Where did that thing? Does that say dog? Bow click, and I was like, well. Those tired of clicking, huh?
Got dog number 5. Old man shot him. Did anyone else shoot?
Gun clicked on him.
Oh, Bo's gun is having issues. There he be.
It is a big boy.
He got a hole in him. Here's the fellers. We're gonna get this thing tagged and keep going. We are not doing so hot, but we are trying to keep it rolling.
We've had us a little slow time.
So
Now we're shooting for second instead of first.
sadly, but it is what it is. Get some money. Hopefully get some Taco Bell with it.
That'd be all our money. That'd be all our
We're gonna
money.
get this thing tagged. Getting the trip.
Dog 5 for the night. Chugging along. We got about 30 minutes left. We're gonna probably go hit one more spot. We're shooting for second now. We fell out of first place, so
Shooting for that Taco Bell money.
unless we just had a insane last set, but I don't see it happening. Not that good anyhow. So we're gonna keep on chugging and just like he said, maybe have enough to buy us a couple things at Taco Bell. Probably not all that we want, but we're having fun nonetheless.
Having fun.
Should have turned there. That's what I get for looking at a camera.
On to the next one, last one. Hopefully our last one's at Taco Bell. Little update. It's 11:38. We've got 22 minutes. And we are driving out to our spot, and the old dualies and 4-wheel drive, hammer down, not going nowhere because we are in a snowbank. This dude is cooking now. This thing is hot.
Well, we ended with 5 dogs. We got unstuck. We got our T-bell, and now we're broke again.
Made just enough.
Thanks for watching, folks.
For dinner.
Subscribe,
Taco Bell employees.
like, subscribe, share it with your friends, share it with your mother,
Your mother, your brother, your sister, everybody.
and don't forget, Jesus loves you.
Absolutely.
Jesus loves you, and he loves Taco Bell.
He probably doesn't love Taco Bell.
Probably not, but this stuff tastes phenomenal. After pushing out the truck, I was really hoping we'd kill the dog on that set. That would have been epic. But it turns out when you run into a 3-foot snowbank, and then you got 3 guys pushing, I wish we got it on video.
3-foot snowbank.
Matt
that's
was walking around
literal concrete.
Yeah. Matt was walking around the truck. It dropped off. He didn't know it. falls down on all fours. Cody's walking behind him, flips over him, head over heels. I wish we had a camera facing the front of the truck when we were out there trying to dig it out.
That's nasty. Head over heels for your own cousin.
Weirdo.
Hey, what you guys mind doing?
But that would have been a magical moment to have on camera. But we didn't. But either way, we got unstuck. We got our Taco Bell. We got second place. Second's first loser, but first loser gets Taco Bell. So kind of feel like winners right now.
First winner would have got a steak dinner.
Yeah. Instead, we got steak grilled cheese burritos. We'll take it. All right. Catch you on the flip side.